Yo guys, welcome back to the Ladders Club. You know what day it is? It is the FOMC day. It is FOMC day for everyone who celebrates. There is going to be a lot of volatility, but we've got trades. We've got trades with proper risk management. I have trades in equities, commodities, a Polymarket bet, and a crypto limit order too. In this video, 8 minutes long, I'm going to be talking about everything, guys. All you need to do is stick with me. Press the like button. Please press the like button, share and subscribe. Let's go. This is the situation in the market right now, guys, where everything is moving towards the upside. You've got altcoins looking extremely juicy. Some of the tokens are actually showing really good strength. For example, Hyperliquid, Lighter, Pump Fund, Zcash, Aster, and we have to be in such tokens, right? I've got a trade. I'm going to give you the hint. This is the trade, but the levels are going to be in the second part of the video. I'm going to be talking about why and where and with what risk management style am I longing Zcash. So just wait for it. Before that, S&P and Nasdaq. Look at the charts, guys, the futures charts. Nasdaq is only 0.5% away from the all-time highs. S&P is only 0.1% away from the all-time highs. Extremely bullish. But this is not it, because you've got risk-offs again pumping. Obviously, they've never stopped. It's pumping every single day. Gold futures surged to a record $5,160 and now 18% up in a month. 18% in a month, and that is gold. Who would have imagined? But this is happening in a very strange manner, wherein risk-offs and risk-ons are moving towards the upside in the same day, same hour, same minute, same second. Doesn't happen a lot, guys. Doesn't happen a lot. But then you've got figures as well backing gold's move. Global gold ETFs posted a record 88.6 billion in inflows in 2025. This was the strongest year on record, and 2026 is not going to be poor as well. Until now, we have seen immense amount of demand in these commodities, right? Now, one thing is gold, but the altcoin of commodities is silver. In the last 24 hours, silver has added more than its entire market cap. In last 24 hours, its entire market cap. Look at this arena, guys. We can be trading in it, and we want to be, and we should be trading in it. I've got a trade for you in this. But first, see how much call volume is there for silver. It's literally sitting at all-time highs. Everyone is buying or wanting to buy silver, which is why I don't want to be in silver, because everyone is going towards silver. So what is my trade? I'm looking at platinum instead. Platinum broke towards the highs and came back down for a nice retest. Did not come to my level, but I am planning to take this level, 2445 level. This is the support zone that I'm planning to trigger, and I'm going to tell you where I'm going to trigger it as well. But wait, so this was a major resistance in December and then in January as well. Now price finally broke towards the upside. Someone can also look at it as an ascending triangle, and if you put the EMA ribbons on 8-hourly time frame or daily time frame are sitting at that perfect level where EMAs are going to be coming to the support, and we will be looking to tap this level over here, which is going to be a flip of support and resistance. I think the stop loss can be around 2.5%, and you can take it on leverage. Look, you can actually take these commodities on leverage. You can take it on ostium, literally every single commodity. You've got platinum, you've got copper, which I'm going to talk about, and you can be taking 50x leverage, guys. So don't say that, oh, I don't have a way to, buy platinum or silver or copper or these kind of things. I'm only a crypto guy. No, you've got decentralized exchanges which are letting you buy platinum, copper, gold, silver, and the stocks as well. You've got every single stock, and not only ostium. Why? You can go to Hyperliquid, you can go to Lighter, you can go to Aster as well. You can buy these things. You can actually trade these things. And the copper trade as well, guys. Now you know what the trade is with platinum, so I'm going to talk about copper as well. Copper right now is lagging behind gold and silver a lot. Look, platinum was very technical kind of trade, but copper is also fundamental in some ways. For example, look at this chart on gold. Absolutely killing it. Silver as well. But copper, on the other hand, is actually consolidating. It's not moving towards the upside. And since silver had that massive rally when China, closed the exports, copper was the main thing. There is a copper shortage going on right now, and we know what happened in the past with iron sodium batteries and the lithium batteries. So similar play is going to be happening with copper as well. This is not a 1 month trade. This is not a 50x leverage trade. It's actually a multi-year trade. If you want to be holding commodities, you should rather be holding copper than holding gold or silver at the moment, in my opinion. So guys, I gave this thesis of copper. It's been some time. It was given on 26th of December. Right now, 1 month, and it's actually doing good because I gave it at 5.75, and the price is currently up 5%, but it's a multi-year trade, and I'm logging every single trade, guys. I'm logging every single trade in my journal. I'm being more transparent than the most transparent glass in the world. Trust me. If you have any problems, any feedback you want to give me, put it in the comment section, guys. That is why we are here, right? Now, a big day with FOMC. You've got FOMC at 2:30 p.m. ET, and then you've got Powell speaking as well. Sorry, FOMC at 2 p.m. ET, which is 12:13 hours from now. Then you've got Powell speaking. FOMC is going to be nothing burger, right? But Powell speaking is a major thing because there's a 97.2% chance that we're not getting any kind of rate cuts today. And obviously it's going to remain like this. There will be no rate cut, but you've got Powell speaking. He's going to be talking. He might talk about the shutdown. He will definitely talk about Fed being independent because he's having a beef with Trump right now. So FOMC is very important. There will be a lot of volatility. I've given you the commodities trades. I'm going to talk about the equities and crypto now in the second part of the video. But before anything, let's talk about my Polymarket bet, the shutdown bet that I've taken. So I'm already in this bet. You guys know about it. And if you actually see, this is it. So US government shutdown. This is one of my accounts, and I don't know why it's open right now, but that's okay. So a small bet of $460. I've already taken this. Right now, a 76% chance of shutdown, and I have said no shutdown happening. So 4 days, if there is no shutdown, then I'm going to be making 4x my money, or else I'll lose this amount. But that's okay. So I'm trading Polymarket as well. I'm giving you these trades. Nothing here is financial advice, but we are actually in every single market making sure that we are managing our risk and being on the right side of the trend. Very important. Now, guys, one more thing I want to talk about is the major earnings that are there. You've got major earnings which are actually starting today. So you've got Microsoft, Meta, and Tesla. I'm going to quickly open the message, and you can see here you go. So you've got Microsoft, Meta, Tesla, and Apple. Apple is tomorrow, but today after market close, which is a long time from here, ET market close, you've got Microsoft, Meta, and Tesla. And I've got a trade in it, and I'm already Netflix. Look, I talked about the Netflix thing. I'm going to talk about the Microsoft trade as well. I'm already in Netflix, and this is where I tapped $82 level, and I gave this trade in on Twitter, on my YouTube, as well as in Discord. I said that the entry is 82. I said that the earnings are coming up. The earnings came out. The earnings call was really good. This thing was falling because of Warner Bros. Acquisition and other things. But Netflix remains a really good chart and a really good stock to be in. And I think $82 level, if you get that, your stop loss is going to be just below that level. For example, around 77, 75. And you can take this towards the upside. Right now, I am in 5% profits. But when I talk about the earnings, you've got Microsoft, the first thing, and the best looking chart as well. Microsoft is breaking towards the upside. Every analyst is expecting really good earnings, but it was in a downtrend. Now what I'm trying to see is some more consolidation here. For example, come back towards the downside, reclaim this as a support, and then continue towards the upside. So this tap would be my trigger. And again, guys, again, I'm going to repeat the same thing. You can get this on Ostium, Hyperliquid, Lighter, anywhere you want. You don't have to be in a centralized exchange. You don't have to buy it via a centralized place, not exchange, but a centralized traditional place that we call it in the stock market. For example, eToro. It's a crypto thing, but it's not a crypto thing. So you can actually buy it on chain. Trust me, a really good trade. And obviously the stop loss is again according to you. But if you put it over here with less leverage, you can have it at 3%. 3% and a 3:1 risk reward trade. A very good one. You can actually take it on Ostium. So I'll show you. If I go and search for stocks, and you can see Microsoft. Yeah, here you go, Microsoft. And it's available on 100x leverage. So what is the excuse? Now guys, let's come back to crypto. Look, we're talking about crypto in the end of the video, but that's okay. You've got trades in commodities, equities, Polymarket, everywhere. So why do you only have to talk about crypto? But here you go, the relative strength watch list is here. You've got Hyperliquid, Aster, all these common names. You've got Pump Fund, good fundamental tokens. Remember that, guys. So we are looking at these tokens and we're going to be finding trades. I've got one trade, and that's Zcash. Look, Hyperliquid has been killing it. So much trend towards the upside, but I want that level, which is 29.7. or around $30 level. $30 tap towards the downside, and that is going to be my trigger. But I'm going to be giving this trade on Twitter properly. You know what? If you actually want the levels, I can give it to you. So the trade is very simple. When the price comes towards the downside, you're tapping this $29.5 level and at least taking it towards the 21% profit, and 5% can be a stop loss, because if you're trying to catch the falling knife, it can actually give you a deviation as well. So 5% is a good stop loss, and then you can actually take it to 34%, but you have to be taking profits in the middle, obviously, and that is going to be a what, let's put it to the perfect place, and that is going to be a 5-hour trade, which is an amazing one. So you've got 5-hour trade, which means that 5% winning and 1% losing. This is absolutely crazy when you're trading, right? Your risk management has to be sorted. Now, lighter, this is the trade I missed last night. You know, I was looking at this double bottom structure and I was like, I'm gonna get it. Look at that on 8-hourly time frame. It's the perfect one. You had the perfect breakout, and I was like, okay, let it come down, give a deviation, and then I'm gonna buy it over here at 1.765. I actually said it in the group as well. I said it in the group, Discord group. I was like, you know, I am taking this trade and I will be just looking for that final deviation towards the downside, but it did not happen. And then I was like, sorry guys, it did not happen. The lighter trade did not go through, but that's okay, because we've got Zcash. We've got Zcash trade coming up. It has already broken towards the upside of this trend line and the horizontal resistance. Now coming back down, look at this confluence, EMA ribbons, horizontal support. So this is what I'm triggering. I'm triggering this level right here, and I'm buying it over here. My stop loss is going to be around 3.5 to 4% from my entry. 4% is the best one. The leverage is going to be low as well, but this is my crypto trade. Now guys, I've given you trade in equities. You've got Netflix, you've got Microsoft. I've given you trades in commodities. You've got platinum, you've got copper for multi-year hold, and then I've given you a Polymarket bet. I've given you Zcash limit order. What else do you want? Give me a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'm going to be making videos every 2 days. Come here, get the updates, and kill in the market, guys. Any question, ask me. Let's go. Bye-bye.